Unlocking everyday English. Give someone a shout, explained. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in casual conversations. Give someone a shout. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together and unlock another piece of everyday English. The phrase, give someone a shout, is an informal way of saying that you will call someone, send them a message, or contact them, especially when you need help or want to share some information. It doesn't necessarily involve shouting. Rather, it's a friendly, casual way to say you'll get in touch. For example, if a friend says, "Give me a shout if you need help moving," they mean, "Let me know if you need help, and I can come assist you." Now that we understand what it means, let's see it in action. This phrase is very versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are some examples. I'll give you a shout when I arrive in town. This means the speaker will contact the listener once they arrive. Don't hesitate to give me a shout if you have any questions. Here, the speaker is offering help and asking the listener to contact them if needed. Let's give John a shout and see if he wants to join us for dinner. In this case, the speaker suggests contacting John to invite him for dinner. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase. Since give someone a shout is informal, it's best used in casual settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. It's not typically used in formal situations or professional emails. Understanding the context and your relationship with the person you're speaking to will help you decide when it's suitable to use this expression. That's a wrap on Give Someone a Shout. We hope this video has shed some light on this common English phrase and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and connect with others. So, don't be shy, give these phrases a shout in your next chat. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you unlock more secrets of the English language in our upcoming videos.